Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel Tech That, where you get your daily dose of tech videos. So today we will be talking about Lenovo IdeaPad S340 laptop that I just purchased recently from Flipkart website. Believe me or not, it took me around 2 months to purchase this laptop, and as you can see the specs on the screen for this laptop. So this laptop has i5 Intel processor 10th generation, 512 GB SSD, 8 GB RAM, 2 GB separate GPU by Nvidia, which is named MX230. Also, the display size is 14 inches. It has a backlit keyboard, Windows 10 Home, and Microsoft Office 2019 already installed free of cost. So today we will be doing the unboxing for Lenovo IdeaPad 340. So let's go. But before we start, let me show you how the laptop specs are on the Lenovo website. So as you can see, we're on the Lenovo's website and we are seeing IdeaPad S340 14 inches laptop. The pricing is starting at 63,990 rupees, which is basically 64,000 rupees. The color is platinum gray, price is 360,000 rupees, 990 extra on the top, and it's been out of stock for around 2 months. The processor 10th gen, operating system is Windows 10, screen size 14 inches, 8 GB RAM, 1 year on-site warranty, speaker is Dolby, 65-watt AC adapter for charging, and Nvidia GeForce for GPU processing. So, and it also has HD camera and has backlit keyboard. So let's go ahead and do our unboxing video. So this is the laptop and it came in this box. The specs are on the side, and as you can see, it will show you all the details of the laptop specifications. It has a CPU, Intel i5, 10th generation. This is the box again, Lenovo badging all around. It has Office, Home and Student already installed free of cost. So just so you know guys, I bought this laptop from Flipkart for only 54,000 rupees. And as you saw, the price of this laptop on Lenovo's website was 63,000 rupees and 990, which is basically 64,000 rupees. So this was a very good deal. So let's see what's inside the box now. So you have the laptop on the left side, and then you have your charging ports on the right side. So let's take it out now. Let's see how it looks. So there is some documentation on the top. So you have your Windows restriction distribution, so you cannot give it to other people or illegally distribute it. Then you have your setup guide and you have your safety and warranty guide. So let's see what else in the box. Obviously you have your charging port, there's a charging cable, and that's your charging adapter, I think. Yes, that's it. So let's put that on the side also. Let me put the box on the side. So let's go ahead and see the documentation first. So this is the setup guide. This will have the basic instructions for you to install your laptop, the information about the different ports you have on your laptop in different languages. So just basic, nothing new. This is safety and warranty guide, what and what not to do with your laptop, just another basic information. If this is your first time getting a laptop, you might want to read that information. And we already saw that's the restriction of distribution. And yeah, that's it. That's all about the documentation. Now let's go into the laptop itself. So yeah, it's like packed nicely, came in a foamy bags, and the laptop itself, it is in a plastic bag. So let's try to remove the foamy stuff first, which is there for protection from shocks. So as you can see, the laptop is platinum gray and is 14 inches. You can see already the Lenovo badging on the right side. That's how it looks right now. We'll have to remove the plastic bag to see the real beauty. Okay, let's take it out. And that's it. That's the platinum gray laptop that I purchased. And first impression is very good. Actually, it really looks nice, smooth and clean. Let's see the edges. Okay, so this is, you got your USB ports and SSD cards. This is the back side. Sorry, that was your card reader, not SSD card. You have HDMI cable here and USB-C and headphone jack and a charging plug. Front looks very thin, and you have your Dolby speakers, stereo Dolby on both sides at the bottom. That's for exhaust heat. And I think the fan is on the right side. And Windows 10 badging. That is a genuine Windows in it. Excuse my sweaty fingers. It's a very new laptop. And opening it, that's how the screen looks. Some basic setup instructions when you're booting up your computer for the first time. Nothing there, just read that before starting it up. This is the keyboard, and you can see on the left side it has iCore 5 10th generation and Nvidia. And the keyboard is nice and smooth. It is a backlit keyboard. The screen is 14 inches, and you can see, closing it again, the hinge is very tight, so you have to open this laptop with your both hands. One hand may not work all the time. That's once again the heat. This is where the heat escapes from, so the laptop will not heat up. And you have the privacy shutter also. Right now there is a sticker on it, so I'll remove that. Yeah, and that's it. That's the new laptop that I got today. And what else is left? Okay, let's check out the keyboard once again, and also the charger that we got. It was 65-watt charger. Yeah, 65-watt charger. There's the charging cable. And that's your charger. There's the charging brick. And that's basically it. That was the laptop that I purchased for a very good price. I will be doing a setup video a little bit later on, and I will be uploading that and my first impression about the keyboard, about the screen, about the overall experience of the laptop. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Join me in the next video. Thank you.